Welcome to Next at Microsoft. I'm Steve Clayton, and I often get the chance to sit down and talk with leaders and luminaries from across the company. Today, I have a very special guest joining us, Bill Gates, our chairman. Bill is here on campus to talk about the 30 years of the Giving campaign at Microsoft, and we've got an opportunity to sit down and ask him a few questions about Windows 8, Windows Phone 8, and what's going on at the company at the moment. There's a huge amount of excitement. So Bill, tell us a little bit about Windows 8 and what it means for the future of Microsoft.
Well, as Steve Ballmer said, this is an absolutely critical product. It takes Windows into the world of touch, low-power devices, really giving people the best of what you think of as a tablet-type experience and the PC experience. And it's a great upgrade for normal Windows usage, but that idea of a store, the rich user interface, it's a big step. It's key to where personal computing is going, and we're going to get software developers behind this like we have with every big new version of Windows.
Bill, you're a big proponent of natural user interface, of pen-based input, of touch, of gesture. Why do you feel that natural user interface is so important?
Well, people want to consume their mail, reading, video, anywhere, and they want it to be awfully simple. Touch is a great part of that, but you want to incorporate touch and without giving up the kind of mouse keyboard capability that is just so natural in most settings. And so Microsoft is blending all the different forms of input. The speech input, often very important. Over time, camera input, which now you see in the TV world, will also be part of the PC experience as well. And that's why we have this umbrella, NUI, that talks about bringing them all in so that you can use them even in one single experience with one device. You can use them all.
So it's a big moment for Windows 8, but also a big moment for Windows Phone 8. And there's a consistency of look and feel across those products. And there's a consistency of code base as well. What does that really mean? What's the opportunity there?
Well, we're certainly sharing between Windows 8 Phone and Windows 8, sharing the user interface, sharing some of those development tools, and over time we'll just get to do more and more of that. So it's evolving literally into be a single platform. For the user, it makes it easy to move back and forth. This is a big milestone for all Microsoft products in terms of connecting to cloud services. Windows 8, Windows 8 Phone, and the new version of Office that's coming out, they all go get their storage, go get your personalization. And so it's, that's a wonderful thing. And when it works, you just sit there going, wow. The idea of an app store that's, got tons and tons of applications. People will be pretty amazed about the energy Microsoft's putting behind this new wave of products. We've really saved up in terms of knowing that this was such an important set of innovations that whether it's, great new applications or ISV engagement or just plain marketing, this is the big time for us.
Steve Ballmer has recently talked about a new era at Microsoft, the era of devices and services. And there's one device that's on lots of people's minds, certainly mine, that I'd love to ask you about, Surface. Do you have a Surface, Bill? What do you think?
Well, Surface is an unbelievably great product. I mean, it's really amazing. And it embodies this idea of, can you get an even better tablet, but that also has what you expect in a PC? A tablet that's got a stand, a tablet that you can attach a keyboard and you can point to things, but also gives you access to some of the classic software like Office that you want. I got my Surface RT just recently. I've been using it day and night, showing it to everybody I meet on any topic.
What kind of keyboard do you have, Bill? I've got to ask you then.
I got the basic black. Was one of the first ones off the line, and I was anxious to get one. But just, when you show people that hinge, you can't appreciate it without seeing it. People get to a store, play around with this thing. The way you put that keyboard on and off, the richness of the swiping that takes the touch interface to a new level, just the beauty of the device. It is absolutely incredible.
Well, I'm looking forward to getting mine in a few days' time. So, Bill, we really appreciate you taking the time to stop by and chat with us about Windows 8, Windows Phone 8. It really is an exciting, amazing time for the company. And we look forward to hopefully seeing you back sometime in the future on Next at Microsoft.
Thank you.